Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Now, before we jump into today's topic, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, I am not a tax professional. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube with some experience when it comes to handling money, dealing with money, and dealing with personal finance. Now that we have that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. So today's video is about, having respect for money and how you can get enough of it in your life. Now, I'm still in the process. If you've been following all my videos, there was a video I made about my life history and how I got to this point in life. You can go check my other videos to see exactly where I'm coming from. Now, for most of us, we don't respect money, and that's why we have all the problems we have today. Okay, most of us don't treat our personal finance like a business, because like a business has to turn a profit. A business has to utilize its resources, whether it's capital, whether it's personnel, whether it's equipment, and whatever you have. As a business, you have to deploy all your resources in order to turn a profit, and when you make a profit, then you continue to stay in business. Unfortunately, most of us don't look at our personal finance as a business. All right, so you want to make sure that you have respect for money, because if you don't have respect for money, guess what? Money is gonna trump on you, money is gonna evade you, money is gonna be constantly a figure of your imagination. You constantly be chasing money and you never achieve anything in life. So here are some things that you can do to respect money. Number one, you want to make sure that you earn enough money but also live within your means. You should always constantly look for ways to increase your income, and that's the key. The key is to increase your income. Unfortunately, most people on YouTube today in the personal finance sector are always looking at, you have to cut costs, you have to minimize your coffee intake, you have to save pennies on Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or your regular coffee shop, because that way you can save $5 here and there. Let me tell you, you need to make sure that you are constantly increasing your income, because when you increase your income, it doesn't matter how much a cup of latte costs. Okay, you're not going to get rich off of a cup of coffee. All right, yes, over the course of a year, if you keep spending $5 or $6 on coffee every single day, it does add up. But what I'm trying to tell you is, if you're earning enough income and you're making allocations for your cup of coffee, then it's not a problem getting coffee. I mean, I drink coffee every single day, but doesn't mean that I'm spending X amount of dollars every single day on coffee, because I can get coffee at work because it's free. Okay, so that satisfies my coffee cravings, because some of us need coffee in order to function. Okay, so I'm not here trying to tell you that you can't drink coffee, but you get the gist. Okay, so you want to make sure that you structure your personal finance by, number one, having a budget. When you have a budget, okay, I do have a video that talks about budgeting, lots of resources under my playlist, so you can go check out my playlist on budgets, and there I show you how you can budget your money. Okay, that's one of the problems people have today, because they're not allocating their resources appropriately, which is why we live paycheck to paycheck. And believe me, I used to be like that. I used to get my paycheck, and by the time it comes in, it's already gone. Okay, because I wasn't allocating my resources appropriately. So it's still a struggle when you have a budget. It doesn't mean once you have a budget set, it's all set in stone. A budget should be flexible. A budget should be an instrument that guides you. Okay, so it all starts with having a budget. When you have a budget and you allocate, every single dollar has a name, like Dave Ramsey says. Okay, just to quote him, I might not say it the right way, but he always says, you should allocate, every dollar should have a name, okay, assigned to it. So when you have your budget should be flexible, because there are certain times when certain areas of your categories of your budget you might overspend in one area and maybe not spend enough on one area. But if you have a set budget, then it gives you structure. Okay, it lets your money know that, hey, this person is serious. This is what I need to do, this is where I need to go, and your money will act accordingly. But if you don't have a budget, that means you have no respect for your money. And when you have no respect for your money, guess what? Money's not going to respect you. Okay, people think not having a budget or not creating a plan is a waste of time, but guess what? Money is gonna deal with you. Okay, you want to be the master of your money and not let money be your master. Okay, which is why I said you need to learn how to dominate your personal finance. If you check the links below, I have a course. It's a basic course on personal finance, so make sure you take advantage of the resources I have there. You might not think it's very important, but believe me, you want to check the link below, sign up for this course. It's going to really help you, getting things in order, and also open your eyes to certain things that you might not be aware of. Okay, so my advice to you is you have to respect money. When you have respect for money, money is going to respect you. Okay, and it all starts with having a budget. Once you have your budget out of the way, then it lets you see whether you have a surplus cash flow or you have a deficit at the end of the month, and then you can adjust accordingly. However, the other part of the equation is you want to make sure that you increase your income. So you have to look for ways for you to increase your income, whether it's starting a side gig, whether it's starting a side business, or doing something to increase your income, and also having multiple sources of income. Now, when you do that and you are diligent with your money and you have respect for your money, guess what? Money in turn will respect you. So I hope you found value in this video. Don't take this lightly, okay? You want to be intentional with your money. You want to make sure that you stop the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Believe me, I used to do that, and I'm working through all that, and I'm trying to ensure that I'm not living paycheck to paycheck, because I am allocating my resources to the right areas. Okay, so thank you again for being here today. And as usual, if you find this my videos enlightening and you find value with my channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button as well, so YouTube will show some of my videos to other people who might benefit from it. So make sure you share this video with someone that's out there that might need to see this video. And all I'm here is just trying to share knowledge with people, just trying to help as many people as possible avoid some of the mistakes that I have made with my personal finance. And I want to thank you all for coming on this journey with me, because in the next couple years things might be different, and then we can look back and say, hey, I remember when I was watching this guy's channel and he was able to help me as well. So this is not about me, it's about you. When I make these videos, it's to help you, and also it helps me because it keeps me in line, it keeps me in check. So that way, I go back to my videos and I watch these videos when I'm in the process of making a stupid or silly mistake or making a financial blunder. I go back to my videos and I go, hey, remember you had a video on XYZ, you shouldn't do that, or maybe you should consider something else. So thank you so much for being here, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you in my next video coming up shortly. Bye bye.